From the iconic California Dreamin' by the Mamas and the Papas, to the Eagles' classic Hotel California, and even Katy Perry's more modern anthem, California Girls. These songs have all succeeded in sparking a sense of curiosity and fascination with this famous state. California, located on the west coast of the United States, isn't just the most populous state in the country, it has also come to symbolize dreams, aspirations, and a lifestyle many long for. Often viewed as the land of opportunity, California boasts a stunning Mediterranean climate, breathtaking coastlines, and some of the world's most vibrant cities, like Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Silicon Valley. It's long been the heart of innovation, home to the entertainment industry in Hollywood and cutting-edge technology in Silicon Valley. The state's economy is so massive that if California were an independent country, it would have the 5th largest gross domestic product in the world, rivaling the economic power of many large nations. California is made up of 482 cities and towns, 460 of which are classified as cities and 22 as towns. The majority of these are concentrated in 5 major metropolitan areas, contributing to the state's dynamic urban landscape. Yet, despite all its affluence and allure, California has a side that's often overshadowed, a severe homelessness crisis. While it's known for wealth and glamour, it also faces the largest homelessness problem in the United States. In the following, we'll explore the cities in California with the highest homeless populations, shedding light on a challenging reality in the midst of prosperity. Let's begin our exploration with the city ranked 10th in California's homelessness crisis, Oxnard. Nestled in Ventura County, this coastal city is known for its scenic beaches and year-round mild climate. Beyond its natural beauty, Oxnard has established itself as a major agricultural hub, renowned for its abundant production of strawberries and other crops. Yet, beneath this charming exterior, Oxnard, along with the greater Ventura County, grapples with a serious homelessness problem. As of recent estimates, about 2,248 people in the region are living without stable shelter, putting it in the top 10 cities in California facing this challenge. The contrast in Oxnard is striking. You have pristine beaches and upscale housing on one side, but on the other, many individuals struggling to survive on the streets. To address this growing crisis, local authorities took a significant step by converting the former National Guard Armory in Oxnard into Ventura County's first year-round homeless shelter. Opened on January 29, 2019, this facility provides 24-hour access to meals, shelter, and hygiene services as part of a broader effort to offer solutions to the homelessness epidemic. Next, we move to Sonoma County, home to the cities of Santa Rosa and Petaluma. This region is internationally recognized as one of the premier wine-producing areas in the world, offering expansive vineyards, picturesque landscapes, and high-end tourist destinations. Santa Rosa, in particular, is not only a hub for wine lovers and fine dining, but also a city with deep cultural roots, serving as a gateway to the breathtaking Redwood National Park. Despite the affluence and fame that surrounds Sonoma County, homelessness is a significant and growing issue here. Santa Rosa and Petaluma rank 9th on the list of California cities with the largest homeless populations, with an estimated 2,093 individuals without permanent shelter. The situation is particularly dire along Santa Rosa's Joe Rodota Trail, where the largest homeless encampment in Sonoma County's history has emerged. This encampment, plagued by poor sanitation, garbage, and rat infestations, houses hundreds of people dealing with severe health and hygiene challenges. Efforts to clear this area have been met with legal roadblocks, as authorities are required to provide alternative shelter options before displacing the residents. The homelessness crisis in this region has been worsened by skyrocketing housing costs and the devastating wildfires of 2017, which left many without homes. For some, remaining in the encampments is their only option, despite the deteriorating conditions around them. Next on the list is Long Beach, the 7th most populous city in California. This coastal gem is famous for its bustling port, the picturesque Alamitos Beach, and the historic Queen Mary, a retired ocean liner turned tourist attraction. However, beyond its well-known landmarks, Long Beach is also facing a growing homelessness crisis. In 2022, the city reported 3,296 individuals living without permanent shelter, marking a staggering 62% increase compared to 2020. This surge has placed enormous pressure on local resources, prompting the city to introduce anti-camping ordinances. These rules include issuing misdemeanor citations to homeless individuals for setting up camps in public spaces, a move that has drawn criticism for not addressing the root causes of homelessness. At the same time, Long Beach has expanded funding for motel vouchers and permanent housing solutions, alongside efforts to recruit more staff to enhance homeless services. These initiatives aim to strike a balance between enforcement and providing support, though the challenge remains immense. Coming in at number 7 is Riverside, the cultural and historical heart of the Inland Empire in Southern California. Known for its rich citrus-growing history and the prestigious University of California, Riverside, the city draws thousands of students and visitors every year. Riverside's vibrant art scene, centered around the Riverside Art Museum, further adds to its reputation as a growing city with deep roots. However, alongside this growth, Riverside struggles with a significant homelessness problem, with an estimated 3,316 individuals living on the streets. Despite its reputation as an expanding and thriving city, the homelessness crisis reveals deep-seated challenges that the community is working to address. At number 6 is San Bernardino, a city nestled in the Inland Empire Valley. Historically a hub for transportation and commerce, San Bernardino has faced considerable hardships in recent years. The city, once a thriving center, now grapples with high poverty rates and complex social issues. In fact, San Bernardino has become one of the poorest cities in the United States, with a startling 3 out of 5 residents living below the poverty line. The city declared bankruptcy in 2012, and by 2015, it was battling extreme levels of poverty, unemployment, and homelessness. With 3,333 homeless individuals, San Bernardino reflects the harsh realities faced by cities with limited affordable housing and rampant joblessness. Despite its proximity to the scenic San Bernardino Mountains and expansive desert landscapes, the city's ongoing struggle with homelessness puts enormous strain on already stretched social services. The contrast between the area's natural beauty and the deep-rooted social crises is difficult to overlook. Moving forward, we arrive at Orange County, where the neighboring cities of Santa Ana and Anaheim stand out. Both cities are commercial powerhouses and major tourist destinations. Anaheim is world-renowned as the home of Disneyland, a magnet for millions of visitors each year, while Santa Ana is celebrated for its rich cultural heritage and diverse communities. Yet behind the glitz and booming economy lies a sobering reality: the region's homelessness crisis. With a combined total of 5,718 homeless individuals, the contrast between the sparkling tourist attractions and the struggle of those living without shelter is stark. same complex issue can be observed in Oakland and Berkeley, two cities in Alameda County that have long been celebrated as bastions of progressivism, art, and culture in the Bay Area. Oakland, with its rich history of social movements and vibrant music scene, is home to a diverse and dynamic community. Meanwhile, Berkeley is renowned as a hub of higher education, anchored by the prestigious University of California, Berkeley. Yet, despite the region's reputation for innovation and social consciousness, Alameda County is confronting one of the most severe homelessness crises in the state, with an estimated 9,147 people living without stable housing. This juxtaposition of progressive ideals and a dire homelessness epidemic underscores a painful irony. Despite the region's advancements in social and technological fields, it continues to grapple with one of California's worst housing crises. Similarly, San Jose, located in the heart of Silicon Valley, is a global center of technology and innovation. Home to some of the world's largest and most influential tech companies, the city boasts an economy of staggering wealth.
And the people
However,
living in the
San
mobile
Jose
home community
also
on the
faces
other
one of the
side of the
largest
wall are
homelessness
none too
crises
pleased
in the
about
state,
it.
with 10,028 individuals without permanent shelter. The root of the problem can be traced to the skyrocketing cost of living in Silicon Valley, driven largely by the tech boom that has priced many longtime residents out of the housing market. Despite its immense economic output, San Jose's wealth has not translated into accessible housing solutions for all, leaving many behind in a region synonymous with success and opportunity. Ranked second on the list of California cities with the largest homeless populations is San Diego. Known as America's finest city, San Diego offers near-perfect weather, stunning beaches, and world-famous attractions such as the San Diego Zoo and SeaWorld. As a thriving military hub and a center for tech innovation, the city radiates prosperity and luxury. However, this image of success contrasts sharply with the city's homelessness crisis, with 10,164 individuals living without homes as of 2023. San Diego's homelessness issue is exacerbated by the city's high cost of living, and while efforts have been made to address the problem, it remains one of the most pressing challenges for a city that otherwise projects a picture of affluence. At the top of the list, we have Los Angeles, the entertainment capital of the world and the second largest city in the United States. Famous for Hollywood, a global symbol of pop culture and glamour, Los Angeles is synonymous with star-studded lifestyles and endless opportunity. But beneath the glitz and fame, Los Angeles faces an unprecedented homelessness crisis, with an estimated 65,111 individuals living without stable housing. One of the most visible symbols of this crisis is Skid Row, a downtown area notorious for its dense homeless population. The neighborhood has become emblematic of the failure of the tolerant containment policy, in which the homeless are allowed to concentrate in specific areas, but with little in the way of long-term solutions or meaningful support. California as a whole is home to nearly 30% of the nation's homeless population, a staggering figure that reflects deep structural challenges, including a severe shortage of affordable housing and ineffective policies. Despite significant efforts from both state and local governments, the homelessness crisis continues to persist. Addressing this issue will require sustained, comprehensive efforts that go beyond short-term fixes, tackling the underlying causes of homelessness with long-term sustainable solutions.